How to turn off autoplay videos in your Instagram feed. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off your autoplay videos in your Instagram feed. So for that, just open your Instagram account and go to your profile. When you go to your profile, on top right side, there are three horizontal lines. Click on these three horizontal lines. Now, after this, scroll a little bit down. At the bottom, you will see there is an option called data usage and media quality. Simply click on this. When you click on this, you can see there is an option called data saver. You can read the description. When data saver is turned on, videos would not load in advance to help you use less data. So you have to turn this on. When you turn this on, you can see the option called high resolution media. So just click on this and also click on it never. When you click this on never, it means no video will be played in advance or will autoplay in your Instagram feed. So this is the way you can turn off your autoplay videos in your Instagram feed so that you can use less data.